Good morning, friends. Welcome back to my channel. This is Raju Upadhyay from CIMAGE College, Patna, Department of IT. Today, we are going to talk about how to format the chart. In the last video, we talked about how to create a chart and different kind of charts. Today, we are going to talk about how to format the chart. So let's begin with the demonstration. So I'll take you to the sample worksheet. So what we can do is, I'll be creating a fresh chart now. Let's say we are having a data. We'll select the data and we will go to home, or rather we can go to the insert. You can click on chart dialog box, and within this we can select the chart. So I'll be taking the column chart. So this is the column chart which we have got. Since this is the embedded chart, I'll move this particular chart to separate sheet. So in order to move this particular chart to a separate sheet, we can click on an option called move chart. It takes us to a new sheet. So let's say we are going to create a new sheet called chart 1, or rather we can give the name to this particular sheet. So we can say we can have a sheet name as revenue comparison chart, because we are trying to compare the revenue of last 2 years. So we have got this particular chart. Now this chart is not having meaningful heading, meaningful access titles. So we need to format it to look more attractive, beautiful, as well as more meaningful. So in order to add certain things into a chart, we are having a chart layout group. Within this particular chart layout group, we are having an option called add chart element. So you can click on add chart element. Either you can select it from here, or you can see along with the chart, you have the plus symbol. If you click on the plus symbol, same set of option will be available to you. So let's go through add chart element. So I wanted to have the chart title. You can notice out here we are having a chart title. Directly we can change the chart title from here. So let's say, since this is the revenue comparison chart, so here I'll be writing revenue comparison. And you can format it. You can select and you can go to the home and you can increase their font to make it clearer. And once this is done, so again we can go to, we can select the chart. We can go to the design, and within the design, we are having add chart element. So we are going to access the, we are going to add the primary horizontal axis and primary vertical axis. So I'll be taking the primary horizontal. We will select this, or we can have primary vertical. We can select this, or we can have the more axis options. If you wanted to give the axis title, we can click on axis title and we can click on primary horizontal. Here it is asking you to give the title. Obviously, this is the data which we have got. It's a month-wise data. So here we can say, we can write some title to this month-wise comparison. Month-wise comparison, or we can say month-wise sales data. Again, you can increase their font. You can select it. You can go to the home. We can increase their font, so make it clearly visible. So we have given the name to this particular x-axis, now we have to give the name to the y-axis. So in order to give the name to the y-axis, again, we can select the chart. We can go to the design. Within a design, we can go to axis title, and here we can say primary vertical. So obviously here in the vertical y-axis, we are having detail of revenue. So you can select the revenue out here. And we can go to the home. And within a home, we can select the bold and we can increase the size. So in this way, we have labeled the x-axis and y-axis. Along with that, I wanted to do some another changes, like you can go to the design and already we have given the chart title, or you can have a chart title in the center, you can have above the chart. So I have written the chart title as a above chart. We can have the data label. If you mention the data label, so you can mention the amount of value which that each and every bar has. So if you wanted to keep it outside end, data callout or database, data end, so we are going to keep the detail in the outside end to make it very clear. Again, we can do some changes here. We can have the grid line. So at the back of this particular chart, we can have the primary major horizontal grid line. We can have primary major grid line. So in this way, we can set the grid line behind the chart in order to get the data very clearer. We can set the legend. That means whatever month we have, the series 1 and series 2, for that we are going to set the legends. So where you want to see the legend, normally we are getting the legend in the right. Either you can write it in the right, or you can have in the bottom. So let's keep it in bottom itself. Now, along with that, if you wanted to see the data table, the actual data, so you can have a data table out here. The moment you select the with legend keys, so you can notice out here at the back, at the bottom of this particular chart, we are getting the data table. So data table describe the data for series 1 as well as series 2. If you wanted to change the color of those vertical bars, you can change the color using this. So you can change the color as per your need, as per your choice. So let's say I have taken this color. Now, if you want to change the chart style, so here are various kind of styles. You can select one of the style. Let's say I have taken this style. So now you can see the chart which we have prepared. It is having the meaningful captions, meaningful information, along with the data, along with the data table. So this is the way by which you can customize your chart. You can format the chart as per your need. So that's all for the day. I hope you must have liked the video, and I'll be coming with the next video tomorrow with the new concept of Microsoft Excel chart. Maybe we'll be talking about what is pie chart, how to create a pie chart, and how to format that pie chart. Thanks a lot for watching this video. See you tomorrow. Bye.